plot fluorescence correlation functions with the program. Firstly, open the program and click on File, then New. Secondly, enter the following data. Assign a unique name to each sample. Select fluorescence correlation for the measurement type. Browse and select the fluorescence correlation data file, typically a SCS file. Now click on the Process tab. Under Data Selection, select the samples you want to process. Adjust the correlation time range if necessary. Click on Compute Correlation. Click on the Fit tab. Select the appropriate fit model, for example, diffusion model. Adjust the fit parameters as desired. Click on Fit Correlation. Click on the Plot tab. Select the samples you want to plot. Under Plot Type, choose Fluorescence Correlation function. Click on Plot. For troubleshooting, make sure the data file is in the correct format, which is SCS. Check the correlation time range and adjust if the fit is poor. Try different fit models to see which one best fits the data. If there are still issues, consult the program documentation or contact the software vendor for support. Additional notes: the program may require specific software or dependencies to run correctly. The output plots can be exported as images or data files for further analysis. Use appropriate statistical methods to analyze and interpret the fluorescence correlation data.